You're ready.
Hi, I'm Ken Steidl. I'm here to talk to you today about mortgage foreclosures. If you fall behind on your mortgage, usually about 3 or 4 months, the mortgage company will begin the foreclosure process. Now, how does that start? Normally, they will send you what's called an Act 91 letter. This is after you fall 3 or 4 months behind. And this letter will say, you are 3 or 4 months behind, and it will take this amount of money to catch up on the mortgage. You have 30 days to pay that amount in full to catch up, or we're going to start the foreclosure process. After that 30 days passes, they will then take the mortgage and refer it to an attorney. The attorney representing the mortgage company will then prepare a complaint in mortgage foreclosure, basically a document that attaches a copy of the mortgage and states that you're behind and that they want to foreclose and take the house. Then they will file that with the pathonetary's office, and the sheriff will have to hand deliver the papers to your house. They don't have to deliver it to you personally. They have to deliver it to any adult over the age of 18 at your house. So it can be your maid or butler, or it can be your spouse or your kids if they're over the age of 18. Once you receive that paperwork, you have 20 days to file a response or an answer. If you feel that you've made the payments and you have proof and maybe they misapplied them or there's some problem, then you want to get an attorney to file an answer to that. You only have 20 days to do that. If you don't file an answer, then after 20 days, they will enter a judgment by default, a judgment in mortgage foreclosure. Then they will proceed to the sheriff's office to arrange for the sheriff's sale of your house to take place. And they will pay the sheriff to advertise and also to post your premises. What will happen then is the sheriff will come out to your house and tape to your front door a sign that says notice of sheriff's sale, so that you are definitely aware of when that sheriff's sale is going to be. You'll receive notice in the mail, regular mail, not certified, and it will appear 3 times in the local newspaper and the legal journal. And then if no action is taken, on the day of the sheriff's sale, you will lose your house. People can come and bid at the sheriff's sale and they can buy your house. Usually there isn't much bidding, because if somebody bids, they have to pay 10% of the price that day and the rest by Friday of that same week. So very few people can come up with that kind of money in a week. So normally there's no bidding, but you still lose the house even if nobody bids, because then there's a deed from the sheriff to the mortgage company. The mortgage company becomes the owner of the house. They then evict you from the premises and they put the house up for sale and sell it. If they sell it for more than what you owe, they keep the money. It's their house. They've gotten a deed from the sheriff. You don't get anything out of it. If they sell it for less than what you owe, well, then they can sue you for the difference or the deficiency, and you can be faced with having to pay back money to the mortgage company for a house you don't even own anymore. But there's ways to stop those mortgage foreclosures, and there'll be other videos for you to look at to find out ways to stop the foreclosure, and we can do that for you. Thank you very much.